Digital property are the brand new frontier of making an investment. From cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum to NFTs and decentralized finance, DeFi, the sector of virtual property is complete of opportunities. However, additionally, lots of risks. For many, the sheer volatility of this marketplace could make it intimidating. But here's in which AI steps in. Artificial intelligence is converting how we method making an investment in virtual property, making it easier, greater secure, and greater strategic. Let's begin with why virtual property are getting a part of the cutting-edge funding portfolio. Cryptocurrencies are now no longer only an area of interest. They're mainstream economic instruments. From hedge finances to person investors, greater human beings are coming into the sector of crypto, drawn with the aid of using its potential for excessive returns and its modern technology. But it's now no longer pretty much cryptocurrencies. The upward thrust of NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and DeFi, decentralized finance, is remodeling how we consider ownership, value, or even banking. These virtual property permit human beings to have interaction in the whole lot, from artwork collection to yield farming, all in the blockchain ecosystem. While the potential for excessive returns is attractive, making an investment in virtual property comes with enormous risks. The marketplace is notoriously risky, and without the proper strategy, you can enjoy good-sized losses. Prices can swing dramatically in a counted of hours, and it's hard to expect those actions primarily based totally on conventional analysis. That's why having a device like AI for your asset is crucial. AI can allow you to navigate the complexities of the virtual asset global with the aid of studying marketplace records in real time, figuring out trends, or even making predictive fashions that will help you make smarter funding decisions. Here's how AI can remodel the manner you spend money on virtual property. The cryptocurrency marketplace is open 24/7, and charges can shift appreciably in minutes. AI equipment can display the marketplace in real time, studying records constantly and alerting you whilst enormous modifications occur. With AI's capacity to method massive quantities of records quickly, you'll usually be one step beforehand of the marketplace's actions. One of the maximum treasured capabilities of AI is its capacity to expect trends. By studying historic charge records, social media sentiment, buying and selling volumes, or even worldwide financial factors, AI can provide you with the experience in which the marketplace would possibly flow next. This is particularly critical inside the global of cryptocurrencies, in which sentiment can power big charge swings. Managing a portfolio of virtual property calls for a cautious stability among threat and reward. AI can routinely rebalance your portfolio primarily based totally for your threat tolerance, making sure that you're now no longer overexposed to any unmarried asset. It also can advise new property to spend money on primarily based totally on marketplace situations and trends. Given the volatility of virtual property, threat control is crucial. AI allows you to manipulate this threat with the aid of putting in place automatic stop-loss orders, alerting you to potential downturns, and adjusting your investments accordingly. Whether it's pulling out of an exchange to decrease losses or doubling down whilst the records appear favorable, AI offers you the equipment to manipulate threats greater effectively. AI-powered buying and selling bots are getting more and more famous inside the crypto global. These bots are designed to exchange cryptocurrencies routinely, the use of superior algorithms to pick out satisfactory instances to shop for and sell. They can execute trades quicker than any human, and without emotional bias. That's a key gain in an incredibly risky marketplace like crypto. Cryptocurrencies are simply one part of the virtual asset ecosystem. NFTs and DeFi systems are swiftly developing sectors, and AI is supporting buyers to apprehend and capitalize on those new opportunities. NFTs have taken the arena via way of means of storm, from virtual artwork to digital actual estate. But how do you already know which NFTs are well worth investing in? AI equipment can assist via way of means of studying ancient income data, marketplace trends, or even social media buzz around unique NFT projects. This facilitates you make greater knowledgeable choices while shopping for and promoting NFTs. DeFi structures allow clients to lend, borrow, and change assets without intermediaries like banks. However, navigating DeFi protocols can be complex. AI can simplify this through manner of way of imparting yield farming strategies that maximize returns at the same time as minimizing risks. It can also help you show particular DeFi projects, ensuring you're getting exceptional interest prices and warding off functionality scams. So, how will you get commenced with AI-powered investing in virtual belongings? Here are some equipment that may assist. Coinbase Pro gives superior buying and selling equipment and integrates AI-powered analytics to assist customers make higher choices. It additionally presents real-time marketplace information and buying and selling insights, which might be important for crypto investors. 3 is a platform that gives AI-powered buying and selling bots for cryptocurrency markets. These bots execute trades robotically, primarily based totally on predefined techniques, assisting customers to exchange extra effectively and profitably. Zerion is an all-in-one DeFi and NFT funding platform that makes use of AI to tune and manipulate portfolios throughout numerous DeFi protocols. It allows customers to maximize their returns via automatic techniques and real-time marketplace monitoring. TokenSets lets customers create automatic buying and selling techniques and portfolios for virtual belongings. With the assistance of AI, TokenSets rebalances portfolios and adjusts buying and selling techniques primarily based totally on marketplace conditions, ensuring sure, most excellent performance. As the virtual asset area continues to evolve, AI will play an excellent larger function in how we invest. In the close to future, we'd see AI equipment that now no longer handiest are expecting marketplace developments, however additionally count on regulatory changes, come across ability protection threats, or even find out the following huge virtual asset earlier than it turns into mainstream. AI's potential to manage large quantities of information, expect developments, and manipulate chance becomes precious in a marketplace that is as dynamic and fast-shifting as cryptocurrencies and virtual belongings. The global of virtual belongings is full of opportunities, however, it's additionally full of challenges. The marketplace's volatility and complexity could make it tough to navigate without the proper equipment. That's why AI is turning into important for all and sundry seeking to put money into cryptocurrencies, NFTs, or DeFi. By the use of AI, you gain an aggressive edge, one that lets you reveal the marketplace in real time, manipulate risks, and make information push choices that maximize your returns. Whether you're new to virtual belongings or a skilled investor, AI allows you to take your approach to the next level. The virtual asset revolution is here, and with AI, you may be at the vanguard of it. Start making an investment smarter, with AI as your guide.